Come on, revive. All right. So hey guys, what's up? Yeah guys, I really apologize for not being so much consistent with my uploads, but nowadays guys I'm actually a little bit busy and that is why I'm so much inconsistent with my uploads. But anyway guys, winter holidays are coming soon and after that I will try my best to be consistent with my video uploads in our YouTube channel Sinan Space. So alright everyone, after Cho-Z Achilles or Turbo Achilles, in this video we're going to craft Cho-Z Spriggan or Turbo Spryzen from Beyblade Turbo, the Bay of Shu Korenai. Let's just quickly craft this Beyblade using glue stick and bottle cap. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. A bottle cap like this one I'm having on my hand. Now let's just quickly make the launcher cuts where we will lock the Beyblade with the launcher. And without that, you can't lock the Beyblade with launcher guys. So let's just quickly make that using cutter. और तुम सबको तो ऑलरेडी पता ही है ये कैसे करना है, लेकिन फिर भी मैं दिखा देता हूँ. इस टाइप से भाई दो क्रॉस बना लो, I mean एक प्लास शेप का कुछ इस टाइप का. उसके बाद भाई दोनों तरफ भाई एक लॉन्चर का कट भाई बना लो, जहाँ पर भाई हमारा लॉन्चर का हुक लगेगा और Beyblade भाई लॉन्चर के साथ लग जाएगा. तो जो भी हो भाई जल्दी से मैं तुमको दिखा देता हूँ. जूम इन करके दिखाता हूँ क्योंकि तुम सबको अगर अच्छी तरह से मेरा काम को समझ ना आए तो भाई प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. उसके बाद तुम सब सब्सक्राइब नहीं करोगे, लाइक तो भाई जो भी हो. चलो भाई काट जाओ अच्छी तरह से. Alright, here we go. So one side is done. Now let's just go to the other side. Alright, the other side is also done. हाँ गाइस, मेरे को माफ करना, मैंने थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा ही काट डाला इस तरफ से. फिर भी कोई बात नहीं, Beyblade तो बन जाएगा.
Meanwhile,
क्या भाई वीडियो बना रहा हूँ, क्या मैं खा नहीं सकता?
अबे साले.
Just having a snack. Actually just a glue stick. Hope you understand. So first let me just quickly circular it around like this. Alright. अच्छा बाबू, अब ठीक है. Alright, दोनों हिस्सा भाई एकदम सेम टू सेम होना चाहिए, नहीं तो भाई प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. ठीक है भाई, काट लेता हूँ. ये लो भाई. ओके. Here we go. As you know that guys, Spriggan actually has total 2 contact points mostly, so that is why I have cut 2 glue sticks. चलो भाई अच्छी तरह से लग जाओ. Alright, let's go. Alright everyone, now our layer build is almost done, but still it's not actually looking like Spriggan or some kind of Cho-Z or Turbo Spriggan. इस कटर को यूज़ करके और भाई हॉट सोल्डरिंग आयरन को यूज़ करके हम भाई ये Spriggan का लुक देंगे, Turbo Spryzen का. I mean Turbo Spryzen, जो भी हो भाई जल्दी से भाई शुरू करते हैं. बहुत टाइम लगेगा भाई ये करने में, घंटों से भी लग जाएगा, लेकिन तुम सबको यार सब्सक्राइब करने में एक भी सेकंड नहीं लगेगा, तो उंगली दबा दो जल्दी से. Just trying my best to add this design as you can see, where the turbo accounting stake. Yep, I know now it's looking very like trash, but don't worry guys, at the end I will give the best shape like Cho-Z Spriggan. Alright, slowly I'm trying my best to add that shape like Cho-Z Spriggan or Turbo Spryzen. चलो भाई फिर से काम शुरू करते हैं. भाई सब ये तो करने में बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लग रहा है यार. यप, दिस इज टेकिंग टाइम. कम ऑन ब्रो. Okay, not bad. Alright everyone, I'm pretty much similar to Cho-Z Spriggan, but I don't know guys, but this design or shape is giving me a vibe of Batman. I mean, I don't know, but the layer build is looking pretty much similar to Batman guys. Alright guys, I'm almost done creating the shape of our Cho-Z Spriggan as you can see. Still guys, I'm not done yet guys. I'm still trying my best to give as much similarity I can with Turbo Spryzen. I mean same like Turbo Spryzen. Alright everyone, after hours of effort, finally we're done shaping our new Cho-Z Spriggan Beyblade layer as you can see in the video. And now let me know how much accurate it's looking. I hope pretty much similar, I don't know. But now it's fully done as you can see. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Alright, now let's just quickly create the face template. Okay, now that's better. Alright guys, almost done with the face template. I mean this. Alright, here we go. Now let's just quickly stick it on top of the Beyblade layer like this. Colorful. Okay, let's just keep it to dry. जो भी हो, लेकिन हाँ काफ़ी हद तक वॉल स्प्रिगन जैसा वाइब दे रहा है मेरे को. एनीवे थोड़ा सा छोटा कर लेते हैं साइज को इस डिस्क का. Attach it like this, and then we are going to cut the extra performance tape because otherwise it's looking pretty tall, as you can see. Alright everyone, I'm finally done. So okay, let me know your thoughts in the comments. I tried my best to make it as accurate I could. But yeah, I know it's not looking that much accurate like the real one, but still, as you can see, it's a Spriggan Beyblade. Alright, now let's do some test battles. So alright everyone, here we have our new Cho-Z Spriggan or Turbo Spryzen. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I know guys, the Beys is not looking that much accurate like the real one, but still I tried my best guys. And besides, after almost 1 year of gap, I finally crafted another Beyblade using glue stick and bottle cap. So yeah, I know I will do mistakes, but still I did it guys. I made Cho-Z Spriggan or Turbo Spryzen. Anyway, let's do a quick spin test. And here we go, Spriggan in the stadium. Okay. हाँ भाई काफ़ी हद तक बैलेंस टाइप जैसा ही है और या स्टैमिना टाइप. Yeah guys, pretty much stamina type or defense type or balance type, I don't know, but yeah, pretty stable for sure. And yeah guys, to be honest, while Spriggan is spinning, it looks pretty much accurate like the real one. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and let's just quickly do some test battles. Turbo Spryzen versus Cho-Z Valkyrie. Let's go 3 to 1, let it rip. Okay, Valkyrie versus Cho-Z Spriggan. Here we go, Arachnid versus balance type. Yeah, this is going to be a battle of endurance, but Spriggan won. Alright, Cho-Z Spriggan in left spin mode and Valkyrie. Let's go 3 to 1, let it rip. Here we go, left spin versus, oh, ring out finish from Valkyrie. Arey bhai toot gaya. Let it rip. Here we go, right spin through. Oh bhai, ring out finish, rip. Alright, left spin Cho-Z Spriggan and again ring out finish bhai. Arey bhai, ring out finish from Wall Spriggan again. Alright Spriggan, let's go make a ring out finish. And yeah, Cho-Z Spriggan is actually in left spinning mode. So yeah, both Beys will equalize their spin. And then another battle of endurance, but this time again Spriggan, Wall Spriggan won. Let it slash Valkyrie. Okay, this is what I wanted, and that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. So just do